What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if those things interest you, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, because I got videos coming for you daily and you do not want to miss it. Matter of fact, this video right here is going to help so many people out there, okay? This is going to be the secret lenders list on Transunion we're going to do. So make sure you're subscribed, because tomorrow we're going to do Equifax, and then the day after that we're going to do Experian, and then I'm actually going to give you a site where you can always pull where people are pulling from, so you can get the secret data points, okay? That's why you subscribe to the channel, because I give you all this info for free. I'm not selling it to you. I'm not trying to spam you with an email list. Guys, check it out. Make sure that you guys are subscribed and like the video. Also, comment on the video something, anything you want, a question, a video you want me to make, as those comments help the videos trend in YouTube. Help people get the same information, okay? This may change, okay? Before I go over this with you, all the information on Transunion may change at any time. So don't quote me, but this is my secret lenders list that I've got, and I have access to some of this information, so I want to read off the different cards that pull from Transunion, and then what I'll do is I'll list them in the description below, so that way you can copy and paste it into a Word document or whatever you'd like to do. All right? So thank you guys for subscribing. This is just for you. And for all of you new people out there, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys mean the world to me. All right, guys. Let me scroll through this list and figure out what pulls from what, all right? I know you guys are stoked. Okay, so Experian. Okay, so the Capital One Venture card looks like it pulls from Experian and Transunion, okay? So Capital One Venture card will pull from Transunion. You need at least a 650 for that I have on my data points right here, okay? We got CarSmart pulling from Transunion. We've got CarMax pulling from Transunion. We've got, bear with me, people, bear with me here. We got Community pulling from Transunion. We have Creditco Auto Reseller. So Creditco is like what they do for the credit unions to try. When you go to a car lot and you run your credit, they always have Creditco. Basically, they run it across the credit unions and see who wants to pick it up. So Creditco Auto Reseller, they pull it from Transunion. Chrysler Credit pulls from Transunion. Discover Card pulls from Transunion. We got Drive Finance Auto Financing pulls from Transunion. I don't know what that is. We got Fifth Third Bank pulling from Transunion. We've got First Choice Bank pulling from Transunion. We've got Depot and HSBC pulling from Transunion. We've got JP Morgan Chase Business is pulling from Transunion. Keep going here. Mercedes Auto is pulling from Transunion. Navy Federal Credit Union is pulling from Equifax and Transunion. Their credit cards pull from Transunion, just so you guys know. Navy Federal Credit Union Business pulls from Transunion. We got these like high demand right here. I know you guys are on the edge of your seat. We got SunTrust Bank pulling from Transunion. We got T-Mobile pulling from Transunion. We've got stay with me, y'all. Stay with me here. And then we have the Amazon Store card from Synchrony and Chase pulling from Transunion. We got American Eagle from Synchrony pulling from Transunion. We got Ameriprise from Barclays pulling from Transunion. The old Barclays card from Apple pulled from Transunion. Ashley Furniture from Synchrony. That goes from TransUnion. Banana Republic, Synchrony, TransUnion. Belk, Synchrony, TransUnion. Babies RS, Synchrony, TransUnion. The Barclay Arrival card, the American Airline card with Barclays, that's TransUnion. BJ's is from Barclays is TransUnion. Bridgestone, TransUnion. Credit Care from Synchrony, like what you get your teeth fixed and all the health stuff from Synchrony. They're from TransUnion as well. Chevron with Synchrony, TransUnion. Firestone from Citibank, TransUnion. Gap, Synchrony, TransUnion. We got H.H. Gregg, Synchrony, TransUnion. Hooters, TransUnion. JCPenney, Synchrony card, TransUnion. LL Bean with Barclay, TransUnion. PayPal, I have that. It's pretty good. Synchrony, that's TransUnion. Old Navy, TransUnion. QVC, TransUnion. Sally Mae, TransUnion. Sam's Club with Synchrony, TransUnion. Toys R Us, You Promise, Walmart, and Williams Sonoma, all TransUnion. Okay, so tomorrow I will be going off of Equifax, so make sure that you guys subscribe for that. Okay, I will put the link of all the cards that I listed off in the description for the TransUnion. Okay, so make sure that you guys copy and paste that list to whatever document you guys want. All right, so tomorrow, like I said, I'll be doing Equifax. And then on top of that, guys, TransUnion isn't really pulled that much compared to Equifax and Experian. So, the other one that's on there too that I forgot to read is the Apple Card. Okay, give me one more second. I think I wrote a couple more down for you as well. Give me one moment here. Just pull out my list. Yep, Apple Card. I said Discover, Navy Federal. Yep. So those ones are the ones that are on there, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video. TransUnion, like I said, it doesn't pull often, just because it's just not. It's probably one of the lesser pulled bureaus. So it's nice because you can really strategize what you want out of those credit unions and stuff. But just don't forget the age of credit matters. Okay, so pick up the Apple Card, pick up the Navy Federal cards, the Discover card if you want, things like that. And then if you want some of the store cards, you can fill those in. But just remember that your age of credit matters, and not until you're seasoned in credit would I start applying for some of these store cards. I just wouldn't do that unless you really need a couple trade lines to help you reestablish credit. I get that. But yeah, so that's the TransUnion secret lender list. See you tomorrow with the Equifax. God bless you. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care. Have a good day.